Are you looking to learn the ins and outs of cybersecurity and ethical hacking, but feel like you don't have the time or resources to invest in traditional courses? Introducing the Auxily Academy Cybersecurity Version course, the ultimate mobile learning experience that teaches you everything you need to know about cybersecurity and ethical hacking right from your phone. With over 30 hours of video lectures, downloadable resources, and a library of articles and books, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed in your cybersecurity journey. And with a dedicated cybersecurity consultant at your disposal, you can get your questions answered in just milliseconds. Plus, upon completing the course, you'll receive an official ethical hacking certificate that you can proudly add to your resume. Our course is designed with the modern learner in mind. We understand that your phone is your go-to device for everything, and that's why we've made sure that all of our course content is mobile-friendly, so you can learn on the go. Our course has already helped over 200,000 students around the world to learn the reality of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Whether you're commuting to work or waiting in line for your morning coffee, you can access the course anytime, anywhere, and learn at your own pace. Our team of cybersecurity experts has designed the course with the latest industry standards and best practices in mind. With our course, you'll learn everything from basic security concepts to advanced ethical hacking techniques that can help you secure your digital life. With our course, you'll not only learn how to protect yourself from cyber threats, but also how to use your skills for hacking and become an ethical hacker. Don't wait any longer to take control of your digital life. Sign up for the cybersecurity course today and start learning ethical hacking from just your phone. Enroll now and get the skills you need to protect yourself and those around you.